Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and I just want to do a fun little walkthrough of a mini album that I made. I used the tutorial for the 8x8 album that is from Tiffany Higgins. You can check out her YouTube channel on Let's Get Scrappy. So I did go ahead, like I said, this is 8x8, and I made the spine 1 3/4 inches instead of 1.5 inches. I think it's plenty wide enough for what I put in here, and I just will let you know that I used the Echo Park wedding bells paper collection. I used the 12x12, and I nearly have used all of it. I have a couple of remaining pieces here that I'm going to use on another project. I used a lot of the stickers, and I used artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations. You can find that at countrycraftcreations.com, as well as the black artisan. So this is the lay flat album. You can check out the link below in the comments, and I have a tutorial there for making it. So anyhow, that is the front. I used a 4x4 cut apart, and I'll just do a quick walkthrough. I went ahead and used some 4x6 cut aparts on the front and back inside covers, and just glued them down on 3 sides to make a fun pocket. And then I've added photo mats throughout with stickers. You can see that I've done some matting with the paper. I've also used the solids collection. That's the add-on to the collection. So there's magnets through here. So here we go. It's a magnet closure, and then you have these openings here. These are some of the stickers. I used an old Martha Stewart punch that I have for these photo corners, so I'm glad that I pulled that out. And then this is glued down here. This 4x6 is the back side of the 4x6, glued down on 3 sides there to make this a fun little tuck spot as well. So this is just a little booklet that's there. So plenty of spaces for journaling, notes and photo. These are also pocket pages, so you have this fun pull out. And I went ahead and decorated all 3. There's 3 pages to this album, the same with the little strip there. Turn it over, and I have here a little 3x4 booklet there. And then we have this 4x6 here that's double matted with some of the solids, and it's a pull-out. So it's just a fun way to use your paper and see the pocket that's there. So again, these are just some magnets that are behind the decorative paper to help hold it closed. Okay, here's another 4x6. This one is glued down, but it's open on the back side here. So you can open it up, and there we have a little layout, and this you can put a photo in there. This is a faux pocket, so there is no way to tuck it behind. I glued it entirely down. I just wanted to use some of the stickers that are there. But then this is a piece that is folded over, so you get a pocket here. So you can see it's plenty big enough for a 4x6 there as well. And then here's again some of the stickers, part of the collection. Another one of the pullouts. Here's a 4x6 flip. And then you have this top flip here. It's a 7x7. So I went ahead and matted one of the stickers on artisan cardstock here, well, a couple of them. And I glued it down only on 2 sides, here and here, so you can still tuck a photo behind. And then these little photo corners here also allow you to tuck a picture behind. But these are glued down, bride and groom. Thought that was super cute. And then here we have a 3x4 that pulls out, and I just used some of the stickers, matted, and then there's a photo mat on the back. I also have some more of the cut aparts here. This is a really pretty collection. You got that one. Let's keep running through this. This is a gift for my son's friends. So they're getting married. So again, some of the stickers, I went ahead and layered some up. This is open behind here, so the photo can actually stick behind. So I'll show you that. It can slip behind there, just like so. So you just make sure not to glue the underside of this corner, that's all. Okay. All right, flip this page. Now this I went ahead and glued down. This is something that Tiffany talks about in her video where she uses a sheet of paper, the decorative paper, and just continues it beyond the fold. So this is the fold right here, continued it on. I thought that that was a really cool look. And then I have one of the cut apart pages that are right here. I'll show you in just a second, but let's see, I just did some matting with some additional stickers. Okay, that's the back side. Now this is one of the, I used a magnet inside here, but you can see I put some photo mats on either side and the magnets are behind here. But this is one of the strips from the collection that is the 3x4 cut apart, and I just cut a little, very little bit off of the outer edges there, so that once you scored it and folded it up, you had a little bit of space in between the two here that you could fold it over and it could close. So the magnets will let it just magnetize right around the page. Okay. And again, another one of the 4x6 cut aparts. And I did some additional matting with stickers and the cut aparts themselves. So I hope you have enjoyed this little walkthrough. Make sure to check out her channel and all the papers that are available at countrycraftcreations.com. That's where I got this paper collection from Echo Park. And I look forward to seeing you all back here on my channel. I am working on a collaboration that is a monthly collaboration to hold myself accountable for some of my crafting, my paper crafting, and you can check out that hashtag. It is hashtag Crafty Goals 2024, and one of the focuses for those goals is smashing our stash. So we are using the hashtag Smash Your Crafty Stash 2024. Thanks so much, everyone. Happy crafting. Until